Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best down alternative comforters on Amazon. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Utopia Bedding Comforter. The Utopia Bedding Comforter Duvet Insert creates a perfect balance of comfort and stylish design. It is filled with a unique fiber fill that is coated with silicone to create a feathery light, cloud-type softness. The piped edges and elegant box stitching add to its durability, as do the 4 corner tabs that make it easy to put on any duvet cover. Lightweight yet durable, it offers superior comfort without the extra bulk. Plus, it's easy to care for as well. What we like about it: provides luxurious weight and warmth. Durable and long-lasting material. Machine washable and dryer friendly. What we don't like about it: heavier feel than some other comforters. Number 2. Eastland All-Season Quilted Down Comforter. Eastland's All-Season Comforter took our second spot for its versatile year-round use and fluffy soft comfort. The breathable fabric allows it to be used in any season, while its soft and fluffy filling provides a cozy environment throughout the night. The premium polyfill is distributed evenly, and box stitching technology keeps the filling in place, ensuring no leakage or loose threading. Not only is this comforter comfortable and made to last, but it's also easy to care for as it is machine washable without any worry of shrinkage or fading. What we like about it: lightweight feel without sacrificing warmth. Fits perfectly into a duvet cover and stays in place. What we don't like about it: not warm enough for extremely cold temperatures. Number 3. Cohome 2100 Series Cooling Comforter. The Cohome 2100 Series Cooling Comforter is a luxuriously soft and comfortable hotel-style comforter that is perfect for any season. Made with premium whole-piece filling, the comforter is extremely soft and noiseless, and it offers a classic look for any room. It is lightweight and breathable, enabling you to use it without feeling too hot or too cold. For added durability, this comforter comes with 4 corner tabs that ensure it does not shift or clump. The exquisite hemming also prevents any filling from leaking out, keeping it looking brand new. What we like about it: breathable and lightweight. Soft and plushy material. Non-crinkling, quiet material. Hypoallergenic. What we don't like about it: maybe too warm for hot sleepers. Number 4. Beckham Luxury Linens Down Alternative Comforter. Treat yourself to a comfortable night's sleep with the Beckham Luxury Linens 1600 Series Lightweight Goose Down Alternative Comforter. Crafted for any season, this comforter is suitable for all climates. This bed comforter is also perfect for providing cozy comfort you can look forward to after a long day. And for ultimate fluffiness, just toss it in the dryer. Ultra soft and made of synthetic goose feathers, this lightweight and luxurious option will give your snoozing game a serious upgrade. What we like about it: available in plenty of colors. Comes in twin/twin XL full/queen and king/cow king. What we don't like about it: colors may appear different than product photos. Number 5. Lavish Comforts Ultimate Fluffy Comforter. This ultra plush comforter offers breathable comfort all year long. For superior comfort and temperature control, the comforter is crafted from ultra soft microfiber fabric, keeping you cool in the summer and warm in the winter. The fluffy and ultra soft duvet is packed with a perfect blend of silky microfiber, giving it an extra cloud-like softness. This vegan and feather-free comforter is not only luxurious, but it is also cruelty-free and hypoallergenic, making it an ideal choice for those with allergies and those committed to cruelty-free practices. What we like about it: super soft and plush. All-season comfort. Maintains fluffiness even after months of use. What we don't like about it may not fit all king-sized UVs. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.